Hello everyone and welcome to Life Cycle Strategic Plan for Inviraz Satvinavir, Part 1, The Market. My name is Miroslav Meshanovic, Bachelor of Pharmacy student. FDA defines medical unmet need as medical need that is not addressed adequately by an existing therapy. Inviraz was developed to treat HIV/AIDS. AIDS was first reported by the US Center for Disease Control in 1981, while Dr. Luc Montagnier from France isolated the virus in 1983. In the current international disease classification issued by World Health Organization, HIV bears code B20, and the full name of the condition is morbus HIV, morbus deficientiae immunitatis acquisite, cum morbis infectivis et parasitariis. At the time of Inviraz's launch, it was considered to be the disease with fatal outcome. By mid-1990s, there were only 4 drugs developed to treat HIV/AIDS, and the outcome of treatment was not certain. Therefore, the market opportunity for Inviraz lied in fact that millions of people living with HIV either had no treatment at all or no adequate treatment. As mentioned before, there were only 4 drugs available on the market, which certainly provided a good market position for Inviraz. The drug is nothing like anything before. It had a different mechanism of action and is tolerated well. It allowed the introduction of highly active antiretroviral therapy. By analyzing the situation, we come to the conclusion that besides Roche, developer of Inviraz, only 2 other companies were on the market. Glaxo had 2 drugs, including the very first HIV/AIDS drug, Zidovudin, marketed as Retrovir, and Lamivudin, marketed as Epivir. Less than a month before Inviraz's launch, Glaxo got approval for 2-in-1 pill, Combivir, Zidovudin and Lamivudin. The other market competitor, Bristol Myers Squibb, had only 1 drug, Stavudin, marketed as Zerit. All these drugs belong to class of reverse transcriptase inhibitors, while Inviraz is protease inhibitor, so there were no direct competition on the market. The burden of disease, as we already mentioned, in 1995 this disease had been considered for a fatal disease, and many people were able to get declared as unfit to work due to the progress of the disease. Nevertheless, burden of disease in this case is enormous, because morbus HIV affects not just individuals, but their families, partners, neighbors, friends, and colleagues. If timely and properly treated, there is no medical reason to declare anyone unfit to work.